toys and song. Learning letters one by one. Toys make learning full of fun. A is for airplane, zoom up high. B is for ball, bouncing to the sky. C is for car, rolling on the floor. D is for doll, we love her more. E is for eraser, tiny and neat. Toys and tools make play complete. F is for fire truck, sirens loud. G is for game, cheering the crowd. H is for helicopter, spinning round. I is for ice cream truck, joy is found. J is for Jack in the box, popping out bright. Toy surprise and give delight. K is for kite, flying in the breeze. L is for Lego, build as you please. M is for marbles, rolling fast. N is for Nerf toy, a playful blast. O is for oven toy, cooking pretend. Fun with toys will never end. P is for puzzle, piece by piece. Q is for queen doll, dressed with ease. R is for robot, walking with cheer. S is for slide, whoosh, down here. T is for train, on the track it goes. Round and round, the whistle blows. U is for unicorn, plush shining bright. V is for video game, fun all night. W is for water gun, splash and play. X is for xylophone, music today. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Z is for zoo set, animals all around. Come and play, sing along. ABC with toys and song. Learning letters one by one. Toys make learning full of fun.
A is for air conditioner. Air conditioner. Keeps the room so cool and nice. B is for blender. Blender. Mixing fruits into sweet ice. C is for computer. Computer. Type and play, it's so much fun. D is for doorbell. Doorbell. Ding dong rings for everyone. E is for electric fan. Electric fan. Spinning fast to cool the air. F is for freezer. Freezer. Keeps the food fresh with care. G is for generator. Generator. Gives us power when it's gone. H is for headphone. Headphone. Play the music, sing along. I is for iron. Iron. Press the clothes to make them neat. J is for juicer. Juicer. Fruit juice fresh and sweet to eat. K is for kettle. Kettle. Boils the water, bubbles rise. L is for lamp. A lamp shines so bright before our eyes. M is for microwave. A microwave heats the food so fast and hot. N is for nightlight. Nightlight. Glow so softly in one spot. O is for oven. Oven. Bakes that cake that smells so sweet. P is for projector. Projector. Shows big pictures, what a treat. Q is for quartz clock. Quartz clock. Tick and tock, it tells the time. R is for refrigerator. A refrigerator. keeps things cold, it's just so fine. S is for speaker, speaker. Plays the music loud and clear. T is for television, television shows us stories we all cheer. U is for USB drive, USB drive. USB bills to keep them safe. V is for vacuum cleaner, vacuum cleaner. Cleans the floor in every place. W is for washing machine, washing machine. Washes clothes and makes them clean. X is for Xerox machine, Xerox machine. Copies papers, nice and neat. Y is for yard light, yard light. Shines outside the dark of night. Z is for zip drive, zip drive. Stores the data safe inside. Red flower, red rose, red poppy, red tulip, red lily, red daisy, shining in a group. We all love the red flowers bright. Blue flower, blue bell, blue iris, blue lotus, blue daffodil, blue aster. All around us we all love the blue flowers true. Green flower, green orchid, green zinnia, green chrysanthemum, green rose, green daylily, fresh as the garden. We all love the green flowers new. Yellow flower, sunflower, daffodil, tulip, yellow marigold, chrysanthemum. In friendship we all love the yellow flowers bright. White flower, jasmine, lily, and white rose, white magnolia, daisy, beauty it shows. We all love the white flowers pure. Gray flower, gray dahlia, carnation, pansy, gray orchid, chrysanthemum looking fancy. We all love the gray flowers rare. Black flower, black rose, tulip, and petunia, black pansy, calla lily, beauty so unique. We all love the black flowers bold. Brown flower, brown orchid, pansy, chrysanthemum, brown marigold, dahlia, nature's anthem. We all love the brown flowers strong. Orange flower, marigold, lily, and tulip, orange hibiscus, calendula in full grip. We all love the orange flowers bright. Purple flower, orchid, iris, lavender, purple lilac, pansy, blooms with splendor. We all love the purple flowers royal. Pink flower, pink rose, lotus, and peony, pink carnation, hibiscus, soft as harmony. We all love the pink flowers sweet.
Red like a shiny apple tree, yellow like the sunshine we see, blue like the sky up high, green like the grass nearby. Colors all around, it's in the air and on the ground. Let's sing and learn one by one, because
Red, red like a shiny apple bright. Orange, orange like the sunset light. Yellow, yellow like the sun so high. Come and learn colors, give it a try. Colors, colors everywhere. Let's all sing and show we care. Red, orange, yellow shining through. Green, blue, purple too. Green, green like the grass so tall. Blue, blue like the sky we call. Purple, purple like flowers in bloom. Colors paint the world and light up the room. Colors, colors everywhere. Let's all sing and show we care. Red, orange, yellow shining through. Green, blue, purple too. Pink, brown and black so bold. White and gray with stories untold. Mix them all, what do we see? A rainbow shining bright with glee. Colors, colors everywhere. Let's all sing and show we care. Red, orange, yellow shining through. Green, blue, purple too. Colors, colors all around. Learning colors with joyful sound. Let's all sing it loud and true. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple too. Red, red like a shiny apple bright. Orange, orange like the sunset light. Yellow, yellow like the sun so high. Come and learn colors, give it a try. Colors, colors everywhere. Let's all sing and show we care. Red, orange, yellow shining through. Green, blue, purple too. Green, blue, purple too. Green, blue, purple too.
E is for Argentina flag, Argentina flag, blue and white with a golden sun. B is for Brazil flag, Brazil flag, green and yellow shining fun. C is for Canada flag, Canada flag, red and white with a maple leaf. D is for Denmark flag, the Denmark flag, red with cross, it looks so brief. E is for Egypt flag, Egypt flag, black, white, red, and eagle bright. F is for France flag, France flag, blue, white, red, and stripes so right. G is for Germany flag, Germany flag, black, red, gold, and rose we see. H is for Hungary flag, Hungary flag, red, white, green, wave happily. I is for India flag, India flag, orange, white, and green with wheel. J is for Japan flag, Japan flag, white and red sun clear appeal. K is for Kenya flag, Kenya flag, black, red, green, wing with shield so strong. L is for Laos flag, Laos flag, red and blue with circle long. M is for Mexico flag. Green, white, red, the eagle stands. N is for Nepal flag, the Nepal flag. Two triangles with moon and hands. O is for almond flag, almond flag. White, red, green with sword we see. P is for Peru flag, the Peru flag. Red and white in waves so free. Q is for Qatar flag, Qatar flag. Maroon and white with zigzag line. R is for Russia flag, Russia flag. White, blue, red, all look so fine. S is for Spain flag, Spain flag. Red and yellow with a crest. T is for Turkey flag, Turkey flag. Red with crescent, it's the best. U is for USA flag, USA flag. Stars and stripes with colors bright. V is for Vietnam flag, Vietnam flag. Red with star that shines at night. W is for Wales flag, Wales flag. Green and white with dragon tall. X is for Sinjan flag, X Sinjan flag. Blue with moon and star for all, for all. Y is for Yemen flag, Yemen flag. Red, white, black, and simple rose. C is for Zambia flag, Zambia flag. Green with eagle bright it shows.